Good morning, Ken. This is Zishan from Shaw GMC, and here's the Chevy Avalanche that you wanted to take a look at for the walk around. Body is in great shape, especially for the year. I don't see any damage. It does still need a clean. Seats are in good condition, no rips, no tears. As we get inside, walking around it. I will also send you the estimate of the work that is required on this vehicle for it to be past road safety. And if you have any questions, please feel free to respond to my email or give me a call. Thank you so much. Bye.